Hi guys, Sarah here from Hewitt Avenue. In this video, you're going to learn how to download your free brush into the Procreate app. So if you're here, you've probably already signed up for the free brush basic round. It's great for lettering, painting, and drawing. In case you are stumbling across this video in another way and haven't signed up for the free brush yet, I've actually included it in the link in the details of the video so you can sign up there. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the quick step-by-step. The app I'm using, of course, is the Procreate app. It's not free, it is paid, but it's well worth the $10. So let's take you back to the page where you sign up for your brush. So you've probably already seen this page. If you haven't, it's linked down below. Tap your first name in, your email address, and tap on download your free brush. You'll have to wait a few minutes and then your brush will be delivered to your email. So I'm going to go right into my email because this is what it's going to look like when you get it, because everyone loves a freebie. So you're going to scroll until you see this, click download. This brings you to a web page. My default is in the Safari browser. You might have your default set up in Chrome, so it might look a little bit different. It looks a little bit like an error page, but it's not. This is exactly what you want to see, the basic round dot brush. This is the Procreate file. You're just going to tap on Open and Procreate. This automatically imports your brush into the app. To find it, you're going to tap on your brush panel, scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to Imported, and your new brush should be right at the top. Okay guys, that's it for this quick tutorial on how to download your free brush for the Procreate app.